Hi, this is Mike Boone, and I am a school-based physical therapist, and today we're going to talk about how you can set up a gross motor skills obstacle course just using things that you have lying around the house. Kids at school age, they really love these obstacle courses, and it's a great way for them to burn off some of the energy that they have from sitting around too much. For our obstacle course today, we have some puzzle pieces set up here. So we'll have the child grab a puzzle piece. I've got an old inner tube here to step into and out of to practice stepping. We have a higher obstacle here with the pool noodle, and the higher this is, the harder it is on their balance. So we'll have them step up and over that. I've made a little tunnel here out of chairs and just threw a sheet over it so they can crawl through that. And crawling is a great way to work on their coordination and core strength. This will go through there. On this side, we have some pillows set up. Walking on the pillows challenges their balance anytime that you're walking on a soft, uneven surface. It's hard for them for their balance. We'll go across the pillows. We have a step stool here to help work on balance and strength. So we step up and over, and then they can put the puzzle piece into the puzzle. Once they're done, you can have them go back through the course, or what I like to do sometimes is have them work on their core strength with an animal walk exercise. We can have them go back with the bear walk, which really works on their stomach strength, or you can have them go back with the crab walk, which works on their back extensors. Usually I'll have them alternate between one or the other as they go back. So you'll need to customize the course based on your child's current abilities and the skills that they need to work on. There's really an endless number of possibilities that you can use to make up a fun obstacle course. But I think you'll find this is a way that the kids enjoy, and that it's something that they can really use that will help them with their balance skills and their gross motor skills.